So this is question 3. If you're struggling to answer this question, I think you first need to recognize that it's not in its basic log form. And so if you remember, the exponential form is a to the b power equals c, and the basic log form is log with a base of a of c equals b. And so we can identify, 3 is our a, we can identify that 15 is our b, and that x is our c, but then we have this sort of leftover 2. And you really have to be able to deal with that 2. So it's really not in its basic log form. So one way you could approach this problem to start is to just divide both sides of your equation by 2, and then that would allow you to write this in its basic log form. So you'd be left with log of x base 3 equals 15. And so 15, divided by 2, which is 7.5. So at this point, you've just got to figure out, okay, how can I evaluate this expression that's now in its log form? Right off the top of my head, I don't think that I know the answer to this. And certainly having it in the log form, I think for many, it just makes it more difficult to evaluate it. So what I'm going to recommend that you do next is realize you have your A, you have your B, and you have your C. Why not convert it to the exponential form to see how you can get the value for x? And then I think for this one, for question 3, I just wanted you to round it to the nearest whole number. So no decimals. Good luck.